Imagine hitting your very first major milestone on YouTube in only 1 month. That's exactly what I did, and I want to share with you how I gained 1,000 subscribers in only 30 days. And on top of that, I want to do something special for you because today is my birthday and I want to give away something to my community for that special day. So if you stick around to the end of the video, I'm going to give you instructions on that. And in the second half of the video, we're going to be discussing what the giveaway is. But first, let's get into 1,000 subscribers in 30 days. The very first step was having the courage to press record and start making videos. Now, I know everybody wants to plan everything out so much in advance, and we always hear you have to niche down, you have to provide the absolute best quality videos and everything else. But when getting started, this is not where everybody was at. Getting started with this, I just want to be clear, I am not a YouTube guru yet. I'm not making any false claims of that. What I'm trying to do is document my path and recommend how I did it. This way I can share with you in real time how YouTube is working right now. I can tell you the journey, no matter what you do, is not easy. But also right now, in this very moment, YouTube has never been easier for a new creator. So the very first step was understanding that I was to start at the bottom and build my way up. So what that means is that I had to learn to press record and not care that my videos were not going to be the best to start. However, consistency and quality do matter. So for me, it was very important to get started with my first 3 videos of not really worrying too much about the quality to YouTube to upload, as I had so much to learn regarding how to do that. So once I made it past those first 3 videos, I was able to analyze what I was doing wrong and begin to make my improvement. From there, I created what I call my foundation videos. Foundation videos are the ones that you're going to build for your audience before you start worrying about getting subscribers. You see, what'll happen is you're going to finally get that one video that can pop. And when that video pops, they're not necessarily going to subscribe to that video. What they're going to do is they're going to go back to your channel and they're going to check to see if you have more videos. They'll see that you have some and that you've provided value. So if you do not have these foundation videos in place, they're just not going to subscribe. So what I did was I made sure I made my next 3 videos that are going to provide value to people immediately, and I was consistently improving the quality of each one of those videos. The popped video. So I had a plan, was that when I uploaded my 7th video, I would do one that was going to grab attention and provide value all at the same time. And within that video, I wanted to make sure that it was going to lead on to more videos and more subscribers. And that's exactly what I did. I made the video the smoothest cuts you can make in DaVinci Resolve. I uploaded and I waited, and I wasn't getting views. After 5 days, I only had about 40 views. But actually, that was probably my best video at that time, so I had some excitement, but I was really disappointed because that video I knew was going to be my impact video. On top of uploading videos, we need to discuss the community tab. The community tab has become one of the main features in YouTube. Not everybody's utilizing this one correctly. So on day 5, I watched this video from VidIQ, which was discussing how to grow subscribers without even uploading videos. And they discussed about the community tab. They were able to have a conversation with somebody from YouTube that explained exactly what to do. You can go to my community tab and check out those posts. Within 24 hours of posting my first one, the video popped. That's when I got a little over 4,000 views and my subscriber journey started to grow. My hopes were to get up to 100 subscribers from this video. However, I didn't get 100 subscribers. I kept getting so many, and over the next week, I had several hundred subscribers. But it wasn't just from the community tab, it wasn't just from the video, but rather it was also my interaction with the community. So people were commenting on my video, and every single comment I quickly replied. I didn't just reply simple things like, "Thank you for the comment," or something like that. What I did was I made sure I engaged with every single person. I followed up with a comment that would repeat things that they said to show the empathy to that. Plus, I would ask a question. Every single comment I finished came with a question. What that did was it brought people back to the video, it gained more views, Plus, it created a conversation. And with this conversation, people started to subscribe. Then they also would go back to other videos and watch them and bring my view counts for everything up. But it all doesn't just stop there. Next thing you have to do is follow up with more videos regarding what your community wants. So I didn't have a community to start with, and I had to learn, what does my community want? So through all of these different comments on the video and in the community posts, I was able to learn what did my target audience actually need. So the next several videos, I made sure that I uploaded specifically to their needs and make sure that I provided them the value. These were more of the foundation videos that we absolutely need to have. Not every video must be your popped video. So right now I'm still uploading foundational videos that are providing value to my community. But I am working very specifically on the community tab in a certain way to grow channels. I am currently doing a 30-day challenge of myself to make a community post every single day. Most of my community posts ask questions and they have information provided to help others, as well as a link to my videos which provide people value to answer those questions. So once I have all of this information and I check the analytics of it, I want to share that with you if you're interested. Feel free to leave a comment below and let me know if you would like to see that kind of video. So how the 30 days of 1,000 subscribers happened was, on that first day that my video started to pop, I only had 7 subscribers. But in exactly 30 days, I hit over 1,000 subscribers. I had literally just uploaded my 11th video. I was really hoping for the 10th video, but you know, it happened. It was 11 and I'm still happy with that. And the growth has continued since then. I'm probably going to hit 1,400 subscribers today, or maybe I even already did. So follow along by utilizing your community tab and working with your community in order to grow your audience quicker. And be sure it's not vanity about yourself, but rather everything you do is for your community. And speaking of doing things for the community, it's time to discuss the giveaway. So the giveaway is going to be this brand new cinematic titles giveaway by Easyeditpro. Check this out. I hope you're as excited as I am about this cinematic title pack. So to enter this giveaway, all you need to do is give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave the comment, happy birthday. So I would like to know from you, should we give this away during a live stream video where we can showcase the cinematic titles, ask questions, and see how things are? Or would you like me to just do a review video of everything and have the announcement then? Please comment that below as well. But remember, for the giveaway, you must comment happy birthday. That's all you need to do, one time to be entered. So thank you for watching this. Good luck to all of you. Feel free to check one of these videos out here, and I will see you soon.